Welcome to TT Track Spoken Indian English. This is Mano Mera. We are going to talk about बिना पार्टनर अंग्रेजी बोलिए. How to talk without partner. Let us get started. There are total 25 questions. तो हर 5 क्वेश्चन के जवाब यानी कि 1 to 5 क्वेश्चन के जवाब आपको ही देना है और बाद में आंसर देने के बाद अपने आंसर को जो है चेक कर लेना है दिए हुए आंसर के अनुसार. ओके, लेट अस गेट स्टार्टेड. बाय द वे, व्हाट्स योर नेम? बाय द वे, व्हाट्स योर नेम? वैसे आपका नाम क्या है? आंसर इट इन 15 seconds. What do you do for a living? What do you do for a living? आप जीविका के लिए क्या करते हैं? आंसर इट इन 15 seconds. What do you want to be? What do you want to be? आप क्या बनना चाहते हैं? आंसर इट इन 15 seconds. What subject do you like the most? What subject do you like the most? आपको कौन सा विषय सबसे अधिक पसंद है? आंसर इट इन 15 seconds. What does your father do? Answer it in 15 seconds. आपके पिता क्या करते हैं? Now you can check your answer with the help of these answers. What's your marital status? What's your marital status? आपकी वैवाहिक स्थिति क्या है? Answer it in 15 seconds. What is your hobby? Answer it in 15 seconds. आपका शौक क्या है? What is your favorite website? What is your favorite website? आपकी पसंदीदा वेबसाइट कौन सी है? Answer it in 15 seconds. What sport do you like the most? What sport do you like the most? आपको कौन सा खेल सबसे अधिक पसंद है? Answer it in 15 seconds. What kind of music do you like to listen to? What kind of music do you like to listen to? आपको किस तरह का संगीत सुनना पसंद करते हैं? Answer it in 15 seconds. Now you can check your answers with the help of these answers. Now you can check your answers with the help of these answers. What are your favorite foods? What are your favorite foods? आपके पसंदीदा भोजन क्या है? Answer it in 15 seconds. What do you do in your free time? What do you do in your free time? आप अपने खाली समय में क्या करते हैं? Answer it in 15 seconds. What makes you happy? What makes you happy? आपको क्या खुशी देता है? Answer it in 15 seconds. What is your favorite color? What is your favorite color? आपका पसंदीदा रंग क्या है? Answer it in 15 seconds. What did you want to be when you were a child? What did you want to be when you were a child? बचपन में आप क्या बनना चाहते थे? Answer it in 15 seconds. Now check your answer with the help of these answers. Now check your answers with the help of these answers. What is your native city? What is your native city? आपका मूल शहर कौन सा है? मतलब आप कहां से हैं, जो आप जिस शहर में आप पैदा हुए? Answer it in 10-15 seconds. What is your mother tongue? What is your mother tongue? आपकी मातृभाषा क्या है? Answer it in 15 seconds. What is your English level? What is your English level? आपका अंग्रेजी स्तर क्या है? Answer it in 15 seconds. What does your sister do? What does your sister do? आपकी बहन क्या करती है? Answer it in 10 seconds, 15 seconds. What is the use of the statue? What is the use of the statue? मूर्ति का क्या उपयोग है? Answer it in 15 seconds. Now check your answer with the help of these answers. What time do you usually get up? What time do you usually get up? आप आमतौर पर किस समय उठते हैं? Answer it in 15 seconds. What time do you usually go to bed? What time do you usually go to bed? आप आमतौर पर किस समय सोने जाते हैं? Answer it in 15 seconds. What are you afraid of? What are you afraid of? आप किससे डरते हैं? Answer it in 15 seconds. What are you fond of? What are you fond of? आपको किस चीज का शौक है? Answer it in 15 seconds. What was the most important thing? What was the most important thing? Answer it in 15 seconds. Now check your answer with the help of these answers. If you liked this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video. See you next video.